Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Techgig Webinar series, our endeavor to empower techies. We believe that sharing of knowledge is the key to enhance our skills and grow us as professionals. With this principle in mind, we have initiated a series of webinars conducted by industry experts to give you all a crisp insight of various domains. The topic of today's session is Ethical Hacking and Pentesting, Giant Opportunities. This is the first session in the IT security series that we would be conducting in the coming months. Our guest speaker today is Mr. Hitesh Chaudhary, CTO and researcher at Igneous Technologies. Hitesh Chaudhary is a renowned security researcher over the internet. He is mostly known for offering his service to police department and army intelligence for solving various typical cyber crimes. So far, he has presented a lot of talks and workshops in various institutes and companies all across India. His areas of interest include web application security, open source, backtracking operating system, wireless networks, and various others. He is a regular at MIT for various research and courses. Apart from this, he is also the founder of a website called EducationTube, www.educationtube.net, having viewers from 30 plus countries, which is entirely dedicated to freely distribute various computer technologies via video lectures. One of his patent work is also under filing process. He has also got interviewed by more than 20 media companies and channels like TOI, DNA, Radio Mirchi, Pentest, India News, etc. So without further delay, I introduce you all to our guest speaker. Over to you, Mr. Hitesh.
Okay, hello. Hope you can hear me.
Yeah, you're audible.
Okay, so without further delay, let us begin our session. First of all, hello to all Techgig viewers and welcome to this webinar. Lots of New Year wishes from my side to all the webinar participants as well as to the entire Techgig team as well. In this webinar, we will look at the most hot topic of the market, and we will look at the opportunity grabbing tactics in the world of information security. Let me quickly summarize what I will do in this webinar. First of all, I'll guide you through the real world entire crime scenario, and I'll compare the real world crime scenario with the internet crimes. Then apart from this, we will take that how these crimes can be tackled on the real world as well as on the internet world. After that, we will have a session that is there a prerequisite for the new and the freshers to begin in this world. Then after that, we will look at what are those prerequisites. Then for the researchers, we will have that what are the opportunities for the researchers to present their papers and all the related stuff. And finally, we will look at what are the job opportunities and how you can learn this so-called ethical hacking topic via the internet searches and Googles. So without any further delay, let us begin. So a summarized way to talk about these things is to give it a name that is familiar to all, and that name is ethical hacking, a very popular name among the internet. We can have a great number of opportunities if you as a fresher want to start, or if you are planning to have a change from the present developer field, then this might be the right place to seek out. So let's get started. A little introduction to me. My name is Hitesh, and since last many years I am associated with information security field. I have trained many professionals and college students on the InfoSec education, especially on the SQL injection, backtrack, Metasploit, various wireless technologies, and kind of the things. My webpage is www.hitesh.co, and I would appreciate if you would go through with that, and you can use my contact form at my website for further details, or you can be in touch directly with me with my email. And just a few months back, I started an initiative known as the itube.ignistech.com, in which I have started to post various custom designed videos on the various technologies like C, C++, Java, ASP.NET, C#, Android development, Microsoft Word, Office, and kind of others. So within a few months, I got a huge response from the crowd, and I got viewers from more than 30 countries all across the globe. So I decided why not to mold this concept into a different form, and I started a website which I am very first time I'll launch out here, that is www.educationtube.net. The website is already up and running, and within this week we will post more than 200 videos on various languages like C, C++, Python, Java, Linux, Android app development, and all these videos are from the very scratch, custom designed, and absolutely free for you. So I would highly appreciate if you will donate some to EducationTube, and by the donation I literally means donate your education, donate your concepts to us and your queries. So without any further delay, let us take to the first thing. The first very opportunity I would like to have is to state that crimes are crimes.